Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a newsletter in Kajabi. If you're looking to connect with your audience through consistent, professional email content, Kajabi's newsletter feature makes it incredibly straightforward to set up and manage everything in one place. Let's walk through the process, step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to kajabi.com. Once you're there, sign into your Kajabi account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create your newsletter, as this will be where all your content and subscriber data lives. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar of your Kajabi dashboard. You'll see several menu options here. Click on Products and an expanded menu will appear with different product types you can create from this expanded menu. Select Newsletter. This takes you to the dedicated newsletter management area where you can create and oversee all your newsletter campaigns. On the newsletter page, look toward the top right part of your screen and click New Newsletter. A prompt will appear asking you to enter some basic information. You'll need to provide a newsletter title and a brief description that explains what your newsletter is about. Optionally, you can also add a thumbnail image to make your newsletter more visually appealing. Once you've filled in these details, click Next to continue. You'll now be directed to the paid newsletter tier setup page. Here, Kajabi gives you the option to offer a paid newsletter and connect your payment channel if you want to monetize your content. If you prefer to keep things simple and offer your newsletter for free, just toggle the free newsletter option instead. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. At this point, Kajabi will begin loading and optimizing your newsletter page. This process might take a little while as the platform sets everything up for you, so just be patient. Once the optimization and setup finishes, you'll be directed to your newsletter overview page. This is your command center where you can see all your subscribers and view all the newsletter posts you've created. You can also navigate through the submenu at the top of this page to access more detailed analytics. Click on Audience to see your subscription rate and engagement metrics like click rates. If you click on Health, you'll be able to monitor important deliverability metrics such as bounce rates, complaints, and unsubscribes. These insights are crucial for understanding how your newsletter is performing and where you might need to make adjustments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.